Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. I have received many comments and requests regarding how to improve the speed of sketching. So here in this video I'll show you the secrets of fast sketching. There are few rules you need to follow while drawing. Here in this video I'll draw 15 cartoon faces in real time, following the rules which I'll explain now.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
I am always slow in my first drawing, as you can see here. This is because I have directly started my cartoon without any warm-up. I think you know about warm-up, right? If not, please check out my videos. Warm-up is always necessary before starting any drawing. So coming to our topic and rules. Rule number 1. Draw fast. It means you need to draw your character as fast as possible, maybe 30 to 60 seconds per head. Don't think about perfection. I know it will be difficult for you to leave the drawing without doing the rectification, but you have to. Rule number 2. Don't use eraser. You should not use any eraser to erase your mistakes. If you do any mistake, rectify it if possible or leave that and proceed, because you have a time limit of 60 seconds max. Rule number 3. Don't draw extra details. Drawing extra detail may consume more time and the work process will slow down. So just keep the speed without thinking about the details, because after completing the drawing you can rework on them and draw the details. Rule number 4. Always use light color pencils. This is because later you need to do any changes or improve your character, you can do it easily. So these are 4 rules you need to follow while drawing to improve your speed. So let's watch carefully how I am drawing 15 faces in less than 8 minutes. I hope you have watched the video completely and understood how to practice your drawing to improve the speed. You need to first complete one full page and then you can go back and rework on your character. Do this every day and after 30 days or a month you can see the difference in your drawing. But gradually you need to increase the pages. So follow these rules and let me know your improvement after a month. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Hit thumbs up if you like it and share this video with people interested in drawings. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon selecting to all to get the notification as soon as I upload any video. So take care guys and bye bye.